Let's address the elephant in the room. Anyone else get really bad cold sores? It starts as a teeny weeny cold sore and then just blossoms into something horrendous on my lip. Anyone else have this problem? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit of an adventure vlog, I guess you'd say, with some friends and my brother. So I'm going to bring you guys along. Come on, let's roll. I went to my local Coles to get some coleslaw cream to fix the issue. So we've just arrived and we're now going to start our bushwalk. Everyone's just grabbing their stuff. Let's do this. Just quickly scrub my shoe. And so we begin our bushwalk. I'm going on a bear hunt. I'm gonna catch a big one. I'm not scared. I used to always sing that at my school camps. I feel like we're trespassing. Welcome to our adventure. Come along with us. So the dilemma here is we have to walk through this. I'm just gonna... This rock is not safe. I think I went the wrong way. I'm turning back. I repeat, I'm turning back. Guys, I'm just gonna charge you. How are we going back there, guys? And we have come to another walkout. Wow, that's really deep. We got some stragglers. We can do it! So we've been going for about half an hour in our trek. Still going strong, guys. Nearly slipped over a few times, but we've got this. We'll check in with you when we get closer. So we're now just walking across this big water section. Some of the walkways are only one way, so we're just allowing room for everyone to cross. We'll wait for everyone to catch back up and we'll continue our hike. Now I've resorted to Little Red Riding Hood because it is pouring. Guys, just checking in. Our friend told us this was like a, how long did he say? 20-minute hike?
It was just like the rock that I stood on fell and...
It was a wobbly rock. No.
A big rock just fell.
I'm 21. I love nature and yeah, that's what it is.
Hey, I'm Elvis. I like the gym and I like adventure.
Hi, I'm Caleb. Hi, I'm Caleb. I'm Chelsea's older brother, and I'm not very good at cardio.
And hi guys, it's me! My name's Chelsea. What another thing be, guys? What would you all say if one thing about me?
What I would say.
That doesn't define me.
You're very kind.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, I wasn't going to say that.
We just found somewhere to sit and it's beautiful, it's raining, so everything is just getting wet. Oh my gosh, this girl is reclining and I'm fearful. Caleb, how are you going? Ooh. So we've just been for a swim. The water is absolutely freezing. Like, I can't explain it. It's beautiful, but it's super cold. Do we go back in or do we not? Comment down below. Just kidding. How are you feeling? A little bit chilly, but overall quite. You look very cold.
I'm so cold.
It's really raining now. It's raining. What was that?
Tell the audience what happened.
Hey guys.
Okay, what happened? Tell us.
So, I wanted to swim under the water. Tackled me at my heart and I thought like, hit me all at once and I felt like I couldn't breathe. Back on the hike. Do it! There's the trail. On a day like this, just come in what you're going to swim in, what you're going to wear, and literally just charge it, do the hike, jump in the beautiful waterfall, and then walk back. We just walked past some people. Everyone is so lovely on this hike. Like everyone says hello to each other. Oh my god! The amount of time she's lost her thong on this trip. So when we come to this beautiful location, there's actually two waterfalls that you can go to. There's this one on my left and then this route on your right. So you can choose which direction. And there's these stairs as well, which actually has the walkway signs, which is probably smart if you want a correct trail. However, we took the bumfuck nowhere trail. Guys, chocolate challenge. I definitely recommend checking this place out, even if you guys are up for an adventure. Just want to go somewhere scenic. Definitely give it a go. Great fun. Love the views you see here. We've definitely had some challenges along the way today due to the weather, so it's added a bit more obstacles, but it's been great fun. I don't want you to think that I'm complaining in any way, shape or form. I'm just sharing my journey with you guys. Hikes like these are always so much fun because every time you do them, you will walk a different route. I swear you never walk the exact same. Like, there's like guidelines through the bush here, but you always go just a little bit of a different way. That rain is really coming down for us. Oh no, it's ruining the camera. Oh wow, we blurred last. The way back isn't going good. Bring a backpack. Oh my god, again. Oh my god. I wouldn't say walk.
It's a hike. Just climb.
And now the rain gets heavier. How are you feeling there? Oh, you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. How are
Would
you?
you recommend this hike?
Yeah, if you're into cardio, I would recommend because that view was incredible. It's
Yeah.
a nice view, you know?
Definitely worth it.
Just bring reaches.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just bring
Set.
reaches.
You'll
Good
be
idea.
set.
Not the thongs. Not the thongs.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this type of video. If you want to see more, oh my gosh, we do have to cross this. I'm fully thinking, yeah, there's the car. So we're not going to go across there. Do you guys remember Poppy Frog? Pocket Frog? No, Poppet Frog, that little app. Do you remember that? And you could collect frogs and like breed them and stuff?
No?
No?
I used to do that.
Yeah!
It was like a little game.
It was a game on App Store called Pocket Frog or something, and you could like breed them and unlock new levels and things like that. Comment down below if you ever played that game as a kid. Guys, we did it! You guys know the reference? Do it, Brooke?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Last time we went on a hike, Brooke ended up with a tick. Didn't you find it like later that night though?
No, I found it when we were back in the car, and I was like, I don't feel too good.
So coming in here, there's like little bridges.
And one of them, like the first one was like overflowed, and I was like, should we really be going through that? We went through it, and now I'm like, okay, well we're not going to be able to get home. And lo and
That
behold,
car is quite low.
and lo and behold, I bet you we won't be able to get home.
Oh, we'll make it home. You'll be sweet. You'll be
In a
sweet.
couple hours. Alright.
She'll be right, no problem. We'll just pitch a tent.
I spy with my little eye.
I spy my little eye, something beginning with H. No.
Houses. poses.
Yeah!
I spelled with my little eye. Something beginning with. Oh, can I do 2 words?
Yeah, sure.
With P and then L. PL. Yeah. In or out of the car? Out.
Power lines.
Yeah.
Woo! Yes! Alright, I spy my little eye. Something beginning with P.
Pulse.
No.
Damn it. Push.
People. No.
Phone?
Yes.
I didn't think someone would get it because I'm on the phone. My little eye, something beginning with R.
That's a good word.
Reds.
You did not do that, bro.
I spy. Nah.
I thought you would have said that one earlier, actually.
Huh?
Back. Rack. Racket.
That's a nice one. Any other clue? Like a small clue at all?
We all have one.
Bucket hat.
A butt, belly button.
No.
We all have one.
You will have one.
Brows.
No.
Brown hair.
Chelsea, that's one there.
You're so confident.
You like known her forever. Brown hair.
My knee.
You okay? You feel that?
Yeah, I'm fine.
My toe hurts. It's busting open.
But vowels.
Do you want Band-Aid?
Browns.
Now.
Band-Aid.
A Band-Aid?
No.
Oh, so it's not on the phone. We all had fun.
Yeah.
It's not in the car.
It's in the car. Yeah.
Bottle.
Yeah, bottle.
Yes! As you guys would have seen, I did slowly start outroing the video in our hike and then realized we were only halfway through the hike. So much if you've made it to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below what your favorite part was. Please like and subscribe to support my channel because it really means a lot. In fact, I actually did buy a new iPhone after this trip to the waterfall. My phone, at the time, I didn't think was that wet. I was like, these iPhones are meant to be water resistant. It's fine, right? No, got in the car and my phone completely turned off. I am very thankful and surprised I was able to get all the footage off there. I thought, seeing as I'm buying a new iPhone, I may also get the newest one, right?